Why automate maintenance on Windows?
The previous user asked me for performance improvements. Regular tasks like disk cleanup, software updates, and system scans can be scheduled, saving you time and reducing the risk of performance slowdowns, malware infections. Setting up automation ensures these critical tasks aren't forgotten, keeping your computer healthy with little effort.
Understanding Windows Task Scheduler.
Task Scheduler is a built-in Windows tool that allows you to create and manage automated tasks. With Task Scheduler, you can set up routines to run maintenance utilities at specific times or intervals. It offers flexibility to trigger tasks on startup, at login, or according to a custom schedule, making automation accessible to all users.
Automating disk cleanup.
To schedule disk cleanup, open Task Scheduler and create a new task. Set the action to run the built-in disk cleanup utility, usually called cleanmajor.exe. You can configure it to run weekly or monthly, removing unnecessary files and freeing up space without manual intervention. Regular cleanups help prevent slowdowns caused by accumulated temporary files.
Keeping Windows updated automatically.
Windows Update can be set to install updates automatically, but you can also schedule checks through Task Scheduler. Syncing updates ensures your system has the latest security patches and features. In Task Scheduler, set the Windows Update task to trigger at your preferred time, so computer updates take place when least disruptive.
Automating virus scans and other tasks.
Most security software, including Windows Defender, lets you automate virus scans. Schedule regular scans in Task Scheduler or within the antivirus app settings. You can also automate disk defragmentation or run custom scripts for specialized tasks. Having these set up ensures routine maintenance continues in the background, keeping your PC secure and efficient.
Tips for reliable automation.
Verify your scheduled tasks occasionally to ensure they run as expected. For best results, keep your computer powered on at the scheduled times and run tasks outside of busy hours. Review maintenance logs to confirm successful completion. By automating routine care, you keep your Windows PC running optimally with minimal ongoing effort.